Hello everyone. Today we're going to make Angoori Atta, also known as Samnak or sprouted wheat flour. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I have washed the wheat and I'm soaking in water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm draining all the water and covering it with a damp cloth. I'm placing this in a warm place. Make sure to damp the cloth with water once it gets dry. It's been 48 hours since I placed the damp cloth. As you can see, it has sprouted nicely. We will separate it and then dry it either in sunlight, on stove, or in oven. I'm placing this in oven at 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Pick the lowest temperature setting in oven or on stove. So after an hour, this is completely dry and I'm just going to blend it into a powder. If you're using this for Sohan Halwa, then make sure you grind it coarsely. And if you're using for any other purpose, you can grind into a fine powder.